Hello viewers and YouTubers, welcome back. This is the very next episode 4, if you're from Tipton. If you're not from anywhere else in the world, you won't understand that joke, I'm sorry. Right, so I'm going to backtrack a little bit because we just climbed all over there and jumped from there, so let's go back down so I don't miss anything. Don't think there was too much going on, there was some health here, no. And I think it just led me into the offices below, the office where we saved. Oh, hello. Perfect. Let's have a gun, doing it. Oh, everyone's dead. Hello. Yes, that's what we've been waiting for.
And each year we harvest only the best of the best. Are you ready to move on? To take on new challenges? To become more than you ever dreamed you could be? Talk to your supervisor to see if you meet the requirements for this year's soul harvest.
How the fuck do you use this thing? Oh shit.
The UAC. The world is counting on us. How can we
Fucking awesome. Boom. See you later. Have a good night. Okay. I need to find the yellow access key. Have I got to follow him? I can't because I need the yellow access key, you prick. Okay.
Access denied. Yellow security clearance required.
Alright, fuck off. Jesus. Some health. I've actually got to go down there, but I've got to time it so I don't fucking die. Aha. Circles duck. I'll tell you something, I love going around these vents compared to aliens. Oh shit, I'm gonna die. Oh, that was a stroke of luck. Oh no, I can hear you pricks. What the fuck happened to him? Launched into the ceiling. I know you're down there, I can't get you to you. You have to wait. Aha. Dance, bitch, dance! Boom, headshot. Right, shotgun time. Alright, it's clear. Well, unlock it. I'm on the other fucking side now. Hello, is that chainsaw fuel? Fuck knows. I don't know where the fuck I'm going. Oh, fuck off, you yellow card shit. Good band they are, yellow card. See ya.
Demonic presence at unsafe level. Lockdown in effect.
No, it's killing me, just fell off the edge like a twat. Boom. Murdered ya.
Demonic presence at unsafe mode. Lockdown.
I know what's going to happen. As soon as I go over to that, kill that thing, all hell's going to break loose and a million demons are going to come out. So I'm taking my time picking off any other enemies when I can. I headshotted you, you twat. Die. And you. Headshots. Headshots galore. Where's this prick? Headshot. Right, get ready to fucking run back. Get my shot going on. There's the first asshole, and there's another one. Fucking knew it. One of these. A grenade. See ya. Explosive shot on the shotgun is fucking awesome. And you're down. Ah! Prick behind me. Take his head off. Fuck off. It's not looking good, this. See you later. I remember the trick, you fucker. See ya.
Demonic presence eliminated. Lockdown
Is that it?
disengaged.
Yeah, fuck you. Not too bad. Oop. Ammo and health. Lovely, lovely, jubbly. Ah, there's that prick again. Where are you going? In there. Yeah, of course you are. Roll this elevator up. I have to say, I have to take my hat off to Bethesda. This game is pretty fucking awesome. I mean, I'm a big fan of them already with Skyrim and Fallout, and they also did Dishonored, which was pretty fucking damn good, to be fair. But now this is a really good game. Let's purchase that then. So we do. I get ya. That key card. Fuck you. Keep pressing the wrong fucking buttons. Still access to know to that though. Yeah, you're gone. Down here. Oh, backward start.
Access granted.
Welcome to the UAC's Mars installation, located in the vast Hellas plains.
What we got here?
This high-tech mining and research facility is pushing the boundaries of the imagination each and every day.
Yes. That's what we want to see.
It's more than just
Nice heavy action assault rifle.
Mankind.
Some ammo. What the fuck's this? Oh, fills your health up. That's pretty good. Press R1 to select. Oh no, that. Soft prick. Sorry if you can hear that, that was my stomach grumbling. I haven't eaten yet. I need to get some bacon in my face in a bit. Whoa, you bastard. You're going down now. See ya. Have a grenade. Tossers. Let's test this bad boy out. Oh, lovely. It's exactly what you want. Accurate, fast. Yeah. This is going to make a massive difference now. Yo, fuck boys, I'm not going to lie. I'm going to come for you. When I got some ammo. Where you going, you prick? I'm fucked, I've got no ammo. Shit. Just have to take him out with headshots. Ah, fuck. Yes, yes, kill him. It's all going Pete Tong now. Right, grenade first. Fuck off. He's gone. Two of them gone. Yes. Give me some shit. Doing some mad skills here. Oh fuck it. Oh fuck. Fuck off. Fuck. And you prick. Boom! See you later. Yeah, you're fucking got and all. I can hear you, but I can't see ya. Where the fuck are you bastard? Can you go up here? No. The fuck is that over there? Ah, berserker mode. Boom! There's one down. You asshole, get here. Boom, another one gone. That's pretty nifty. Berserker mode's gonna run out. Oops. Boom, see you later. There's a shield over there, and some ammo. How do we get over there? I can't just yet, by the looks of it. What's over here? Fuck all! What the fucking map tell me I come over here for then? Prick. Oh well. Unfortunately, this is it. That's all I've got time for, and I don't think I'll be able to film an episode. Oh, go on. I'll bash in one more episode out and try to complete this level, hopefully. I mean, how much of the map's left? Not that much. I think I'm nearly there. Okay, so join me next time. Hopefully we can get this level done. And hopefully this yellow card can do something for me. Right, see you later. Thanks. Bye.